In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sequence in HubSpot. We'll walk through the process from the moment you log in all the way to saving and naming your finished sequence so you can start using it with your contacts right away. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the navigation bar on the left side of the screen. Find the section labeled Sales. Hover your mouse over Sales and a menu will appear. From that menu, click on Sequences. This will take you to the main sequences page where you can see any sequences you've already created, as well as options to build new ones. At the top of this page, click Create a Sequence. HubSpot will now give you a few different options. You can create a dynamic sequence, start completely from scratch, or choose from one of HubSpot's pre-made templates. These templates are organized by use case, such as recent conversion, event follow-up, or product or demo request. Take a moment to scroll down and browse through them because they can save you a lot of time. For this example, we're going to select a pre-made sequence and choose the product or demo request template. Once you click on that template, you'll see a sequence preview appear on the right side of your screen. This preview shows you the steps included in the sequence, how many days it will take to complete, what percentage of those steps are automated, and how many unenrollment criteria are set. This preview is really helpful for understanding how the sequence will behave before you commit to it. If you're happy with the structure, click Create Sequence in the top right corner. You'll now see the full list of steps that make up the sequence. Each step has a small pencil icon next to it. Click the pencil if you want to edit that step. A pop-up window will appear where you can customize the content of the email, the task details, or any other elements for that step. If you'd like to add another step, look for the plus icon between existing steps. Click it, and you'll be able to choose from different step types: an automated email, a manual email task, a call task, a general task, or a task tied to an integration. This lets you tailor the sequence to match your sales or follow-up process. To adjust the delay between steps, click directly on the delay text, such as the number of days. A pop-up will appear where you can set the new timing. Once you've changed it, click Save in that pop-up. When you're done editing, click Save in the top right corner of the sequence builder. A panel will slide open on the right side of the screen. Here you can rename your sequence to something clear and descriptive, and choose who in your account is allowed to view or use the sequence. After you've set these options, click Save at the bottom of the panel, and that's it. You've successfully created a sequence in HubSpot, and it's ready to use with your contacts.